Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to enable Energy Saver in Windows 11. This feature helps lower power usage by limiting background activity and optimizing system performance. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Then you can search for Settings. Open Settings. Now click on System. Then click on Power and Battery. Then scroll down. Here you will see option Energy Saver. Click on it and you will see there are two options. Always use Energy Saver. You can turn it on. It will help you when the battery goes to 20%. It will also, you will see, turns on at 20%. When the battery goes to 20%, it will on Energy Saver. If you turn it always use Energy Saver, it will reduce power consumption and increase your battery life. Also, you will see lower screen brightness when using Energy Saver. So it will lower your screen brightness. And that's it. Also, you can see this option in the quick access panel. Here you will see Energy Saver. You can turn it off or turn it on from there also. You have successfully Energy Saver in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.